Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a minimal scaffold so nothing slows you later. Create a project folder, run npm in it, and install a tiny web framework like Vite or Next.js. This gives you live reload and routing. Once done, create a env for your AI API key and add basic scripts to package JSON so you can run, dev, and build. Make sure to commit a first snapshot to Git. You'll revert if a generated change breaks things. Now wire the AI. Implement a lightweight server endpoint that accepts structured input and forwards it to the AI API. You do prompt engineering here, craft templates with placeholders, provide few-shot examples, and set max tokens to control cost. Once responses return, parse and sanitize them before sending to the client. Also, add validation, simple caching, and a rate limit so you don't blow through your quota or expose the API key to the browser. Finish by connecting the front end. Build a compact form that sends JSON to your endpoint and renders streaming or incremental AI output. You should implement loading states, debounce user input, and show clear error messages. This improves perceived speed and reduces duplicate calls. Deploy using a modern host that supports serverless functions. After deployment, test real users, watch logs for errors, and set usage alerts. If the AI output is off, refine prompts, add constraints, and rerun tests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.